Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices drifted lower as the market grappled with concern over increasing U.S. inflation, and after OPEC cut its 2021 oil demand forecast due to high prices. Indian shares ended lower, weighed down by losses in banking and automobile stocks, with investor sentiment also soured by broad worries about inflation triggered by a big jump in U.S. consumer prices. The dollar rose to 16-month highs against the euro and other currencies, and the yen fell back towards multi-year lows after the hottest U.S. inflation reading in a generation encouraged bets on interest rate hikes.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 GMT. The U.S. JOLTS job openings at 1500 GMT. The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count at 1700 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting will be released at 0700 GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.